Good morning, viewers. Good morning. This is Blind Visioneer, Dean White right here. This morning, I am going ahead with repairing this mixer. It's a kitchen sink mixer and it is leaking, guys. So I am in the process of pulling it down and repairing it. Okay? So far, I have removed the handle from it. This piece is the handle. Use a Allen key to remove it. So now I'm removing this section right here. Okay. And okay, I am seeing that there is a bit of dirt inside here, which could be causing the leakage. So I'm going to have to wash off. Right, I'm going to have to wash it off. So give me a minute. Don't move, Anthony. Give me a minute. Don't move.
As this I told.
Do not move. And why are you talking on the video, sir? So guys, I have gone ahead and I have washed out the inside here. So that removed the bit of sediment. Seems as if chlorine, a bit of sand was there. So now I need to fit up this properly. Okay, and set it in the way it needs to be set so that the water is allowed to come up. Okay guys, now I am going to have to do a bit of adjusting also. I'm going to have to do a bit of adjusting. So this was on, and I am going to be tightening, because guys, from time to time, based on the fact that it is water coming through these mixers, you have to make sure, okay, that they are tight sometimes. Now please know the video. Okay, I am feeling for the top. I need to check to make sure that, okay, so it's in the, so that's down. So guys, no, that is not going to be the handle that it, right, so this is the handle for it, see. So now guys, after doing that, I am going to have to tighten it back up, and then I will connect some water to it to check if it's really properly adjusted. Also, I realized that these new mixers that are made, even though the hardware will tell you that the washers can be changed, it's not true, guys. Once they are done, they are done. Okay? Stop the video 5 minutes, sir, please. Once the mixers are done, guys, we are done. So now I am going to do a test to see Okay, so this
5 now.